Today I discuss how to slope calculation of the depth image, digital elevation images. Input the depth image. Input the depth image and go to the tools and algorithm librarian and analysis, depth analysis and elevation. Calculate the surface aspect. Slope elevation data. Input this time is the red, and then input the image, the green signal. Input the dim image and green signal. Complete this input and uncheck the view and check the view and right click browse the and output file name. The slope. And then run this process. So calculate, go and open the slope. Slope image. Here the slope, depth image and slope. Complete this process.